Welcome to Millionaire Motion. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.
Imagine living in a home so expensive that it costs more than private islands, super yachts, or even some of the world's tallest skyscrapers. We're talking about billion-dollar estates, homes designed not just for living, but as symbols of power, wealth, and ultimate luxury. Today, we're going inside the world's most exclusive billion-dollar homes, exploring their jaw-dropping architecture, mind-blowing features, and the billionaires who own them. From towering private mansions to palaces that look like entire cities, these homes will leave you speechless. 1. Antilia, Mumbai, India. Let's start with one of the most talked about homes in the world, Antilia, located in Mumbai, India. This 27-story skyscraper mansion belongs to Mukesh Ambani, one of the richest men on the planet. Its estimated worth? Anywhere between $1 to $2 billion. Antilia is no ordinary skyscraper. Each of its 27 floors is designed with double or triple the ceiling height, making it feel more like a 60-story tower. Inside, you'll find a ballroom, multiple swimming pools, a movie theater, a health spa, and even an ice room that blasts man-made snow to escape Mumbai's sweltering heat. And let's not forget the garage. It can fit 168 cars, including Ambani's fleet of Rolls-Royces, Bentleys, and Maybachs. Oh, and the building requires 600 full-time staff members just to keep it running smoothly. Antilia isn't just a home, it's a vertical palace that dominates Mumbai's skyline and represents a billionaire's vision of ultimate luxury. 2. Buckingham Palace, London, UK. Next on our list is probably the most famous residence in the world, Buckingham Palace, located in London. While it's technically not for sale, its value has been estimated at $1.30 to $1.5 billion. Owned by the British Crown, it has served as the official residence of the monarchy for centuries. Buckingham Palace contains 775 rooms, including 52 royal bedrooms, 188 staff rooms, 92 offices, and 78 bathrooms. The ballroom alone is massive enough to host hundreds of guests during royal banquets. What makes Buckingham Palace priceless isn't just its size, it's the history and symbolism. Every year, millions of tourists gather outside the gates to watch the changing of the guard, while world leaders are hosted inside its historic halls. It's less of a home and more of a monument to power, tradition, and prestige. 3. Villa Leopolda, French Riviera. On the glamorous French Riviera lies one of Europe's most luxurious estates, Villa Leopolda. This sprawling villa was originally built in 1902 for King Leopold II of Belgium, and today it's estimated to be worth $750 million to $1 billion. The estate stretches over 50 acres, featuring terraced gardens with olive and citrus trees, stunning sea views, and a private swimming pool that could rival a resort. Villa Leopolda has been home to royalty, billionaires, and even served as a set for Hollywood films. Inside, you'll find a palace-like interior, complete with priceless art, marble staircases, and chandeliers. It's not just a house, it's a piece of European history, blending old-world charm with billionaire-level exclusivity. 4. The One, Bel Air, Los Angeles. Flying over to Los Angeles, we find one of America's most controversial mega mansions, The One. Originally designed by developer Neil Ning, this Bel Air property was intended to be the largest and most expensive modern home in the United States. It spans over 100,000 square feet, featuring 21 bedrooms, 42 bathrooms, a 30-car garage, a bowling alley, multiple swimming pools, and even a nightclub. At one point, it was priced at $500 million, but due to financial troubles and lawsuits, it was eventually auctioned for around $126 million. However, with upgrades and market speculation, many still value it close to $1 billion in potential. The One represents the excess of billionaire luxury, futuristic design, insane amenities, and a level of extravagance that makes even celebrities stop and stare. 5. Villa Les Cedars, France. Another European masterpiece is Villa Les Cedars, located in Saint-Jean-Cap-Ferrat, France. This historic estate was once owned by the Belgian king and later acquired by wealthy industrialists. Estimated at $1 billion, the villa sits on 35 acres of beautifully landscaped gardens. Inside, you'll find 14 bedrooms, a ballroom, a library with 3,000 books, and priceless 19th century furniture. Outside, the villa features Olympic-sized swimming pools and stables for over 30 horses. Its history, location on the French Riviera, and unmatched luxury make Villa Les Cedars one of the most exclusive homes on the planet. 6. Billionaire Row, New York City. Of course, we can't talk about billion-dollar homes without mentioning New York City's Billionaire Row. Stretching along 57th Street in Manhattan, these ultra-tall residential towers host some of the most expensive apartments in the world. For example, 220 Central Park South is home to a penthouse that sold for $238 million, setting a US record. Other skyscrapers, like 432 Park Avenue and 111 West 57th Street, contain residences valued at hundreds of millions. When combined, these towers create an entire neighborhood of sky-high billionaire homes worth well over $1 billion. Living here isn't just about luxury, it's about owning the New York skyline. 7. Modern billion-dollar projects. Beyond these famous estates, new billion-dollar homes are being designed right now. In Saudi Arabia, futuristic palaces are being constructed for royalty. In Dubai, mega villas are being built on private islands, combining high-tech design with Middle Eastern opulence. And in places like Hong Kong and Singapore, land scarcity drives prices into the hundreds of millions for even modest-sized mansions. The truth is, billion-dollar homes aren't just about comfort, they're about status, influence, and making a mark on history. So, what makes a house worth $1 billion? It's not just size, luxury, or location, it's a combination of history, exclusivity, and the desire of billionaires to own something truly one of a kind. Whether it's Antilia in India, Buckingham Palace in London, or a futuristic mega mansion in Los Angeles, these homes aren't just places to live, they're monuments to wealth and ambition. If you had the chance to live in one of these billion-dollar homes, which would you choose? A royal palace in Europe, a skyscraper mansion in Asia, or a futuristic estate in the US? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into the secret world of luxury, wealth, and billionaire lifestyles.
Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends.